All right, September 20th, Friday, early afternoon here. This is going to be Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Archery's 59, which is going to go on a unique wood frame I bought, which has a mirror in it. That brings to mind an old school desk. There's the photograph I'm drawing from. And that frame is going to be attached on the right side of Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 58, which I completed recently. Memorial to Denise McNair, who died in the Ku Klux Klan bombing of a Christian church in Birmingham, Alabama, September 15, 1963. Which there's my memorial portrait of her holding a doll, which thematically addressed allegorical sea monsters, weird GOP, Trump, and Ku Klux Klan race hate. Blech. All right. Another photo of Virgil Ware. So Virgil Ware was 13. He and another young African-American boy, youngster, were both murdered that same afternoon in Birmingham. He was shot by a 16-year-old white boy who had been handed a gun by a white friend of his. And those two were convicted, sentenced to it was a short sentence, like 7 months in jail. And the sentence was suspended by the judge. They served no time in jail or prison. All right, to be continued. Virgil Ware of blessed memory.